everyone! We went horseback riding on the beach. We went to Salinas River State Beach, which is near Monterey, and we had such an amazing time. And then we went for some yummy post-ride eats at the Choke Coach. So watch the end of the video for our review and recommendations. My horse was Jack, and Bruce's horse was Warlock. We both are beginners, so here's some horseback riding 101 that we got from our guide. Don't wear shorts because your skin will constantly rub against the leather and it'll become really uncomfortable. Luckily, we had a blanket in the car. Hold the reins like you would hold an ice cream cone with one hand, not in two separate hands. Don't hold too tightly and use it like a joystick, so gently pull to the right or to the left, up or back, depending on where you want your horse to go. When you're going uphill, lean forward in your seat, and when you're going downhill, sit back in your seat. And if your horse pins its ears back, then that means he's upset about something. We started at the Monterey Dunes entrance in Moss Landing, and it took us about 20 minutes to wind through all the dunes. We finally get over one giant dune, and then look at this view. It was so beautiful. It was definitely such a relaxing, meditative experience because these horses are so gentle and they're used to people riding on the beach. And then you can see fishermen because Salinas River State Beach is a popular fishing spot. So you hear the crash of the waves and the wind and then the skies above you. It was such a wonderful experience. I just felt so connected with the horses and with nature. My one recommendation would be to wear layers. Our guide had taken some other people out before us, and he said that the beach was about 10 degrees colder, but unfortunately I didn't bring any other clothes, so it was a bit cold. So I would recommend that if you go to dress warmly. The ride was such an amazing experience, and I would definitely recommend it. We said goodbye to the horsies, and then we went off to go try this hidden food truck that our guide recommended called the Choke Coach, which specializes in artichokes.
Oh, so good. Look, how big is this? Oh my god, so good.
Okay, I have to say that is a very, very big hot link.
Looks like they fried this bread. Yeah, they fried this bread. That's why it's so chewy.
Oh, they grilled it, huh? Wow, that's really crispy. Is it really good?
How does it compare to the Santa Cruz one?
This one you can't really tell that what's the inside tastes like the real artichoke flavor.
Oh.
Yeah.
But the Santa Cruz one is more like artichoke flavor.
Yeah. The Santa Cruz one is more like a soft. And then you can eat the flavor of the artichoke. But this one is really thick. You're basically eating the outside crust, this crust.
Oh. That's surprising. It's super crispy sounding though.
It sounds yummy.
Now I'm getting this artichoke.
Wow, that is super crunchy. I'm celebrating one anyway.
That's why the other two people.
They got the steam one.
Yeah, then they can taste the flavor of the artichoke. But this one. Good though.
Tacos, where are the tacos?
So one of them is carne asada and one of them is al pastor. So one's beef and one's pork.
It's good.
You didn't even eat it yet. How do you know it's good?
It's taco.
That's true. We just love tacos.
Taco, taco. Taco, taco. Look that meat.
That is a gigantic bite. Are you gonna say something?
Something in there is sour. It's kind of take over the meat.
Oh, lime? Maybe they squeeze lime?
The meat is not like super like thin out.
And don't forget to stop by this fruit stand, which has really yummy fruit. The mangoes and watermelon were super good. Hope you guys enjoyed riding with us. See you guys next time.